Welcome to Born Cottage. Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So in the first we have living room. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and TV unit. And we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. Also we have small utility area here, and after that we'll go inside. So on the left side we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall, and we have study table with chair and two large size windows for ventilation and light purpose. And if you go on the right side, so we have kitchen area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have large size window for ventilation and light purpose of kitchen area. So this is the 1 BHK floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.